Can you hear me? Boleh dengar saya tak, Balkis?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh Lim Lee Heng, dengar saya tak? Lim? Okay. Okay, so, okay, right. It has been decided, okay? Your test 3 is on 24th of January, 24th of January, from 9 to 11 p.m. as well, same SOPs, okay? The topics covered are, okay, equilibrium of rigid bodies, 3D analysis, okay? So 3D analysis, okay? As though the question is so easy. Then analysis of structures, we do trusses only. Trusses only. And then friction. That's it. So it's going to be 18 mark. 18 times 3. 18 times 3 is 54. 54 mark from your test and 6 mark from your assignment. Let me ask you how many assignment already given to you. Include the yesterday one. Make sure you are aware with it. How many assignment already given?
4, sir.
Yes, 4. All right, 4 given. Okay, 4 given already. So I will provide you a link. Okay, a link for you to upload your assignment soon. I'm a different school of thought. Some people for assignment do this and submit that for me tomorrow. Do this and submit to me tomorrow. No, I'm not going to do that. All the assignment you can submit it later for me. For me. Can do that, submit it later. But make sure you do on your own, that which is mean that you understand. Okay, which is mean that you understand. Okay, which mean that you understand. Okay. Now, as I mentioned to you, okay, how can it come out like this? Okay. So yeah, so a lot. It look like 30 students are here. Okay. Now we move on to another subject. Okay. It's not a subject, another materials actually. Two things. We do two things in the same time, at the same time. Okay. Right. So move here, delete there, and delete there. Then what to do now is insert new slide. New slide there. Okay, so can you see my sharing there? Hello?
Tak nampak, sir. Belum.
Nampak. Do you have any exam tonight?
No, sir.
Then why everybody like kalah judi ah? One? Now can you see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
I want you at least talk to me. Okay, talk to me. Then we have today we want to do still analysis of structure. The structures. You do two things, okay? Frames and mission. Same concept, same principle, okay? One question will come out from this, okay? So it's easy. Question one, final, okay? Question one, final is free body diagram. Question two, okay, is a 3D analysis. Question three, machine or frames. Question four is centroid, distributed process. The things that we're going to do, today and half of next week. Hey. Okay, so let's begin with. Okay, so we move on to the notes that sent to you. So desktop, where I put it. Okay, statics. Okay, so analysis of structures, frame and machine. Okay, frames and machine. Then is telling you all about. Okay, this is the things. This is the things. Okay, this we summarize all this. Okay, summarize this and that. Okay, I finish. I finish. You understand or not?
No, sir. Tak faham.
No.
No.
Okay. That's why I want to know from you. Okay. Okay, so no. So is frame and machine is the same thing. Okay, it's the analysis. It's the analysis of the structures that we draw in the free body diagram. Analysis of the. This is fun subject. Okay, this is the analysis of the structure, detailed analysis of the structure that we have. What we have draw free body diagram in the rigid bodies analysis. So this is a simple. Okay. Simple question, okay? Now we want to do analysis every structures if needed, okay? You want to do what I mentioned to you?
Analysis of every structure.
Okay, analysis of every structures of it. So this is a kind of examples that we use to ask a student. Don't worry, you have to do all of this. You don't have to worry. You don't have to do all of this actually. Okay, but you try the things that I mentioned to you, which one important, okay? Right, so this is all. This is same principle there. Everything is a simple principle. Also, is there, this. Okay, the best to understand is this question, okay? We move on to question 25, okay? Determine all component, okay? So, of forces acting on member A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C. So, I don't want to do A, B, C. I want to do all of the structure, So edit, okay. Take a snapshot of it. Move here, move there. Okay, copy, move there. So the question says, okay. So says example 1. Number 1, okay. So determine all component of forces acting on member ABC, okay, plus ABC, okay, BD and structure CDE. Okay, all of them, all of the structures. Okay, all of the structures. Okay, the first thing what you need to do is to redraw. Okay, to redraw the structures again. Draw the structures again. Okay, draw the structures again. Okay. So to do what I said to you?
Draw
Draw
the
the
structure.
structure diagram.
Okay, approximately you get 2 marks from here. Okay, so every part a point a joint. Okay, here, join to here, join to there. Okay, join to there. What are the point there? A, B, C. A, B, C. Here is point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, if I'm not mistaken. There. Then all distances are 0.2. All distances are 0.2. There to there to there is 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. There to there also 0.2, 0.2. And then you apply a force. And then you apply force. Okay. You apply what? You apply force. Okay, 200 Newton at the end of structure. So you have here $200 Newton, and you have here 200 Newton. Okay. So how many forces at point E? How many forces at point E then?
1.
Where? 2FE. And then you have AX here, and here you have AY. AY. Okay. Now, this is overall free body diagram, we call it. Okay. This is overall free body diagram. Overall free body diagram. So by taking moment, point A is equal to 0. Okay, so taking moment at point A, so you have 200. 200 plus 0.4. Okay, plus 200 by what is it there? 0.2. 0.2 minus FE multiplied by
0.4.
0.4 as well. You can get is equal to 0. So you can get FE is what? Tell me. So summation of force X in equal to 0. So you will have AX, okay, plus 200 plus 200. Anything else? No. That equal to 0. Then you will have AX is equal to negative 400 Newton. Summation of force Y is equal to 0. You will have AY plus FE, everything equals 0. Then you will have AY is equal to negative FE. Tell me now that you from here you will get in the examination 2 out of 10 mark. 2 out of the 10 mark in the final. Okay, tell me. How long want
FE
to
I
do that?
got 300 Newton.
Everybody get the same thing?
Yes.
Yes.
FEAY is equal to negative 300 Newton. Okay, so perfect. FE is 300 Newton. AX is equal to negative 400. AY is equal to negative 300. Okay, that is a first analysis. First analysis. Okay, first analysis. All right, first analysis where you do the overall free body diagram. Remember yesterday Lim asked me either we need to do that for trusses, because some of the question we don't need to do to that to get a external forces, but by rules, by concept, you have to do the overall free body diagram first, because we want to train you to be engineers so that you can estimate. Okay, in order for you to determine the structures, okay, the forces in that structures, what is the force at the support structure first, at the joint first. Okay, so now I copy this one down, copy, then so you do something fun. Okay, so then you detach all the structures. Okay, detach all structures from this component. Okay, oh. What to do now? Erase. Okay, medium erase. Then draw a component by component. Okay, if necessary. But this question asks you firstly is structure AB. Draw the structure AB there approximately. No need to be too exact. Okay, so draw here. This is point A. This is point B. This is point C. Okay, at point A, you have AX. AX that way. AX that equal to, don't change any direction as mentioned, negative 400 there, Newton. AY going up for negative 300. Okay, don't change any direction, negative 300. Okay, don't change any direction of the external forces. Don't change what I tell you.
The direction. Of forces.
Don't change any direction. Then point B is a pin. How many forces at pin there?
2.
2.
P. Okay, just do BX, any direction that you like. BX, BY, CX, and CY. Very easy. Okay, very easy. Then you do the structures. Then we move on to structure. This is fun subject. I
Sir,
like this subject. Yeah, sayang.
do we need to include the 200?
Pandai. Very clever. So I forgot it. Okay, 200 Newton. If you miss that one, you lost a total mark. Very good. Okay, 200 Newton there. Then you have what there? You have structure BC. Okay, structure BD. Structure, so this is point B. No, change color. B, D, okay, BD. Okay, so that point you have 200 Newton. Oh, change color again. 200 Newton going that way. Newton that way. At point B, how many forces you have? Point B?
2.
2, sir.
But it must be in opposite direction, am I right?
Yes.
So this time is BX that direction. And BY going down. Pandai? Okay. And at point D, any direction that you like, okay? DX and DY. The first one is any direction that you like, okay? And then last structures, okay? Last structures is these structures. D, there. Okay. And C, D, E. sorry. So at point C, how many forces at point C? How many forces at point C? Tell me.
2.
2. Okay. Which direction it should go this time?
Opposite.
Opposite direction. Okay, pandai. So CX that way. Now CY going down. Okay, at point D, how many forces are there? DX should be opposite.
2.
And DY, this one going down. Then what else we have? And then FE. You know FE is equal to 300 Newton. Okay. Then you do the analysis of this. You do the analysis of this. Those structures. Okay. These three structures. Okay. You see. So let me edit and then copy. And then I'm moving there. And then erase. Erase this segment. Padam. We call it padam one. Okay. So then you can see how many unknown in structure ABC. How many unknown structure ABC?
4.
How many unknown structure BD? Also 4. How many unknown structure CDE? Also 4. Okay, so you have to tackle one by one. Tackle one by one. Which one that you could get the answer first? You try. You try. Okay, try. Okay, which one that you could answer first? Which one? What? Which one that you could answer first? So tell me. Okay, if you do structure ABC by taking a moment at point C, okay, the taking moment at point C, you solve any problem or not?
No.
No. So which point that you think is the best?
Structure BD.
Very clever. Structure BD. So structure BD. So analysis. So how to write it? So analysis of structure BD. Okay, structure BD. But taken moment at point D. Summation of moment at point D equal to 0. Okay, what do you have? What do you have? How to do that?
BY.
BY multiplied by 0.2. Then
Negative BY, sir.
a negative BY. Then nothing else, right? Plus
200.
0 equal to 0. Then you have BY is equal to 0. Am I right? Are you agree with me, everybody?
Yes.
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 BY is equal to 0. So if you know BY here is equal to 0, BY there also 0. This is a fun subject, right? This is BY also here is equal to 0. BY there also 0. Then what happened to structure C, A, B, C? It become a 2 unknown, right? It's become 2. How many unknown there? 3 unknown. All right? Hello, are you agree with me?
Yes, yes.
Pandai, very clever. Then do analysis at on of structure. Off, it should be off, not on. Analysis of structure. Okay. Of structure A, B, C. Okay. So you know there is 0 by taking moment. Okay. Summation of moment at point C is equal to 0. What do you have at point C? So you have AY multiplied by 0.2, okay, minus AX multiplied by point what? AX?
0.4.
0.4, okay, minus BX by 0.2, okay, everything goes to 0. So you will have to, you will tell me what is your BX then. Do that. Do that now. AY multiplied by 0.2, AX by 0.4, okay, minus BX by 0.2. Everything goes to 0. So how long we have to do that? How many days? To tell me BX.
So I got 500.
Okay, I trust you. What is your name? Lim, right?
FJ.
Lim sudah sarapan hari ni?
Belum.
Oh, makanlah Lim, You have to take breakfast, nanti gastric, So if you have BX here, BX here 500, okay? So because it attached, okay? So BX there is BY there is equal to 0, BX there is 500, and then we have a BX here is equal to 500 Newton, and is similar to BX here also 500 Newton. You done. You almost done. Okay, you almost done. So summation of forces in X is equal to 0. What do you have? AX plus BX plus C plus that equal to 0. You tell me what is CX. Okay, summation of force in y that equal to 0. So AY plus BY, which is 0, okay, which is 0, plus CY equal to 0. And then tell me what is CY. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Okay, so you know that one is 0. Okay, tell me what is CX and CY. So this is fun. Okay, this is very fun subject. Okay.
So when we find Bx and then we put it into another structure, the direction changes. But should we put negative?
No, sayang, no.
Okay.
Kekalkan nilai. Maintain the values. Okay. Maintain the values. Maintain the values. See, I don't change the different direction, but same magnitude Bx. Good question there. Good question there. Tell me what is Cy and Cx.
Sir,
Yes.
for CX, I got negative 300.
Negative 300 Newton. Cy
300.
300. Everybody get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you get here 300, okay, that equal to 300 Newton. So Cx, no, negative 300, and Cy is equal to what? 300. Okay, that here, Cy here is also 300 Newton. In opposite direction, but don't change the values of the Cy. Cx there in the opposite direction is negative 300 Newton. Don't change. It is opposite in the direction, but don't change the magnitude of the forces. The direction of the forces. So you know everything now. Which force that you don't know now? You need two
dx
forces.
dy.
Okay, dx dy. You can move to this structure. You can move this structure, or you move on to this structure. Okay, you move on to this structure much easier. Okay. So since you're taking moment already analysis as structure BD, then summation of forces in X that equal to 0. What do you have here? Negative Bx. Be careful there. Negative Bx plus dx is plus dx is what? What do you want to need now? The things that you don't know is what?
Dx dy.
Dx, okay. Negative, okay. Negative bx plus dx, okay, plus 200 that equal to 0. What? Tell me. Okay. So summation of force in y that equal to 0 is what? Negative by that you are not interested. Okay. So because it is 0, anyway, you can minus by, okay, plus dy. Anything else is equal to 0. Then you will have dy is equal to by. Tell me. Okay, very good. Tell me what is dx and tell me what is dy. Okay, SKMMO. SK SEMM1203. Okay. This is week number 12. Lecture 1. Lecture 2 already, right? Lecture 2. Desktop here, save. Okay, what is dx? What is by? Dx and what is dx and dy? Tell me. Hello.
dx I got 300.
Okay.
And
Everybody
then
get the
by
same
is
answer, Wishim?
0.
Dy is 0. Okay.
Same
Dy
answer.
is same answer. Okay. That is the principle. That is the principle of doing frames. Okay. Frames. So let me ask you, can you count, all of you now, for structure, to check structure ABC, are you doing right or wrong? Okay. You count. Summation of all forces in X should be 0. Summation of force in Y should be 0 in structure ABC. When you go to structure BD, okay, summation of forces everywhere is in X is equal to 0. Summation of force in Y also must be 0. Also goes to structure CDE. Summation of all forces in X should be 0. Summation of force in Y also is 0. Can you do that for me? So you can see we do the analysis on structure, 2 structures only. Okay, we do analysis on 2 structures only, then we can solve the problem. So the clues there here is you don't need to do analysis all of structure. Okay, do that for me. Verify all of them are 0. Verify with me all of them are 0. Hello, have you done it? I'm asking you to do. Have you counted? All are 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Very clever. Okay, very clever. So now we have many examples there. Okay. So again, if you cannot recognize 2 force member, I said do you what? If you cannot recognize what?
Two
Two
force
force
member.
member.
And you die. You die. Okay, let me ask you. Is question 33. Is there any 2 force member? Is there any 2 force member there? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Where? Which one? No, tak ada. No 2 force member here. Okay, so these are the questions that always asked in the examination. Okay, now we so something like this. Okay, something I like this one. This is like a machines. Okay, this is like a machines. Okay, this is like a machines. Okay, this is a machine problem. Okay, so we do this one. Oh, is it all in Malay? Huh? Okay, so kedudukan anggota DE. Okay, so those are international student. DE, okay, DE, which a weight of 30 kilogram. DE weight is 30 kilogram. is controlled by hydraulic cylinder OA. It's controlled by a cylinder OA. And then the center of gravity of DE, a center of gravity of DE, okay, DE at G, okay, is 2.5 meters, okay, it's 2.5 meters. Pusat gravity DG at G is 2.5 2.5 meters from where actually? DG 2.5 DG is 2.5 meter there. Okay, DG is 2.1 meters. Determine the forces on hydraulic OA, and these the all the forces acting on structure ABC. Okay. Let's strategize how to do this. Let's no for structures, just ignore the weight. But if it is mentioned to you weight of that structure, then you consider. I want to ask you, how many two force member are here? How many two force member are here?
C,
How?
E, and OA.
Very clever. Okay, CE is a two force member, OA are the two force member. Okay, two force member. You want to get a force in where? You want to get force in where?
OA.
OA and all
ABC.
forces in A, B, C. Okay, try you think. Where to start? Try. Okay, file. I like this question. Okay, edit. Take a snapshot of it. Go there. Oop. Edit. Take a snapshot of it. From there. There. Edit. Copy. Okay, so the first thing is I have to do all together with the question. Okay, edit, take snapshot of it. Copy, move here, move there. This is the question one, all right? Okay, tell me. Tell me what to do first.
Overall FBD.
Copy. Okay, do that. Okay, do that free body diagram, overall free body diagram. Do that for me. Draw it again. Okay, draw it again. Draw it again by removing all the attachment, external attachment. The external attachment. Okay, remove all this. Okay, remove all those structures. Okay, remove this. Remove this. When you remove this, then you have forces. Okay, how many forces are here? How many forces are there? Say B, G, say this is point H. Say this is point J. How many forces at point H and J?
Two.
Hello?
3, sir.
3, yes. This is fixed support. HX, HY, MH. Okay. It is JX, JY, and MJ. Listen to me. Listen to me. How many unknown here? How many unknown here? How many unknown here?
6.
Hello? 6. 6. Okay. It's not 6. You miss one. Where is another point?
OA.
Okay. OA. Okay. O at point O. Okay. In one fastest. You think as you are engineers. Okay. If you think as you are engineers. If you're pushing weight or you have another weight here that you miss. How many kilogram are there? What is the weight of this one? 30 kilo, 30 kilo, 30 kilo. You have weight here that attached to this structure, okay, pushing you down, pushing you down. What happened in your opinion? Structure OA, it is in tension or in compression?
Compression.
It is compression, okay. So it is in compression. So in compression, how to illustrate that one in compression at point O? How to illustrate that at point O? Going up or going down? Going down,
Going
right?
out.
Going down. FOA. FOA there. Because it is a two force member. Be careful, you are attached to two force member there. Two force member there. FOA. So because it is illustrated, you say that it is in compression. If in compression is my pushing that structure inside. But anyway, if you put it in the wrong direction, you are not wrong. Okay, you still can get full mark. Then how many unknown here?
7.
7. Okay, 7. If you have 7, remember me. If you have more than 4, if you remember me, if you have more than 4 unknown for the external forces, just forget it. Don't try to solve it. Don't try to solve it. If you have 3, okay, then you try to look at internal structure first. Internal structures. Internal structures. Okay, internal structures. What are look into the focus in the structures nearby to the question. Nearby to the question. Okay, the nearby question is ask you to get force in where? In that structures. Okay, you want to you to get that structures. OA. Okay, focus on that structures. Any link that structure to another forces? Is there any link that structure to another forces? Okay, it is ask you about ABC and FOA. So go and focus on the structures that related to the question. Okay, so now we move on to structure ABC. We try to do the this is a structure ABC. Structure, where to do that? Structure ABC. Okay, so this is as simple as that. ABC. Point A, point B, point C. Okay, detach that component from another component there. So that structure is detached from a piston. Okay, that piston there. Okay. So at point B here, B. So you have how many forces at point B?
2.
It is a BX and BY. How many forces at point A? How many
Is it
forces at point A?
1.
One, sir.
Very clever. 1. Because you say the FOA, you want to say FOA in tension. So you have FOA. In equilibrium, when you detach the object, you have the force FOA. 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 Then at here, you have FOA in the opposite direction. FOA. What is FOA? FOA is force in that piston. Okay, OA. So, how many forces at point C?
1.
One also. It attached to a structure CB. Okay, it's attached to structure CB. Okay, CB. So you detach that structure. Okay, you detach that structure. Okay, logically, if you pushing this one down, that weight down, you pushing that weight down. Okay, what will happen to structure C what here? C structure C here. C what? We want to CK here. What happened? So CE. No, it's given or this CE. What happened to this structure? It is in compression or in tension, in your opinion?
Tension.
In tension, you draw tension. How it looks like tension? It going up. Going like this. F in C FCE. If this one is going up, that one if going down, FCE on that structure. FCE. So FCE. So you look at that structure, how many unknown there? How many unknown there? How many unknown here? How many unknown here? How many unknown
4.
here? 4. Okay. You have 4. Okay. 4. You cannot solve. You just get FCE from another structure and then you are done. Correct me if I'm wrong. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Get FCE from another structure, then you will done. This one can be done in 50 minutes. Okay. So tell me, final mission can be done in 15 minutes. Final mission can be done in how many minutes? I tell you.
15 minutes.
Yes. If you go beyond that, beyond this, I mean, you are miss. Okay. Or you may hard word to say redo what?
Statics.
Yes. So I don't want you to do that. Okay, we try our best. All right. I'm not going to say that to you. So, but that structure there look like this. Okay. Look like this. So that structure will have you FCE going up. Okay. FCE. FCE there. Okay. FCE. How many forces at point D? How many forces at point D?
2.
What is it?
dx and dy.
Dx and dy. And you have a mg here. You have mg there. Mg there. So all those distance are given. Okay. So you have distance there to there is 2.1 meters. There to there is 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters there. What else? What else do you have there? What else do you have? So the angle here is 20 degrees. The angles there is 20 degrees. 20 degrees there. 20 degrees. By taking a moment at point A is equal to 0, you will get FCE directly. Summation of moment at point A that equal to 0, okay, you will get FCE.
Point D,
Okay,
sir.
FCE. Point D sayang, point D. Okay, boleh bagi betul sikit lah. Summation of moment at point D. So, summation of moment at point D equal to 0, you will get FCE. Do that now. I want to see. Be careful, okay? So 2.1 is there today. You need to get the distance from, kena guna matematik sikit lah. Matematik sikit there. You should know there to there is what? There to there is what? Senang je lah. Is that distance. What? That distance is, okay, 2.1 multiplied by cos 20 lah. Do that for me. So, mg multiplied by that x, okay, that x, not 2.1, okay, it is a 2.1 cos 20, okay, minus FCE multiplied by 0.3. 0.3 is, be careful, the distance is here, perpendicular distance is there, that equal to 0. Okay, tell me FCE. Tell me FCE.
Sir,
Yes.
may I ask why is it 0.3?
Because you are sitting at point here. You are sitting at point here. Okay, the perpendicular distance is that. No, 0.3. Yes, not 0.3 sayang. 0.3 by cos. It's not 0.3. Yes, you are not 0.3 there. What is the distance there? Should be 0.3 is from here. Let me check the question. Okay. It's right. 0.3, right? You are sitting at here. Yes, you are right. I'm right. Okay, I'm sitting at point here, right? That force is going up. That is the distance. The distance is perpendicular distance to there. Here is the perpendicular distance. There to there. It's given 3. Okay, sorry. Okay, 3 meters. That's why. So saya pun tak hafal lagi. Lim, 3. Not 0.3 there. So, are you happy with me, Lim, now? 3?
Yeah.
3. Ingat 0.3 tadi, 3 meters length, 0.3. Then that one is, what one? 2.1 cos 20 is what? Tell me.
1.97.
1.97. 1.97. I say, man. Tell me what is FCE then?
193.06.
19 what?
3.06.
193.06 Newton. Everybody managed to get this? Tell me, is there any part that you don't understand?
Same, sir.
Same. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you need to get dx dy?
No.
No, because the question don't ask you to get dx dy. The question don't ask you to get dx dy. The question asks you structure ABC, because structure ABC now is a 4 unknown. You want to make it as a 3 unknown. Okay, so you make it a 3 unknown. So you make it as a 3 unknown. Okay, this will we will ask this. We will ask something like this, where the student got panics already. The external forces has become 9 or 7. But you detach component that related to the question. The question attached to the question. Related to the question. Then it's easy now. Whoa, so edit, copy there, paste there. Then what to do now is okay, done home, okay, and then where to do that? I have to do erase. Erase kat mana? Erase here. So I will erase it. Okay, I will erase it here. So no, FCE is the link. FCE is the link. See, I said to you, FCE is the link. Okay, we will use a link force for you also in the final. So FCE is the link. Okay, what is it? I told you FCE is what?
The link.
FCE is the link. Okay, for you to get to solve structure ABC and to get a force in piston. How can it doesn't work here? FCE is the link. FCE is the link. How can it doesn't want to work? Okay, FCE is the link. Then edit. Then go to small erase. Now you know you need the home and save. Then I don't want this. How to remove this? How to remove this the drawing? Draw. So then how to remove this? It doesn't matter. So FCE is what now? I don't remember. 100.
93.06.
Okay. Do the summation for in X is equal to 0. Do the force in Y that is equal to 0. And of course, do the moment first. Summation of moment at point B equal to 0. Then you will get a BX. Tell me now. Do that. Everybody must do this. BX what? BY and FOA is what? Tell me it. Tell me in 15 minutes. Tell me in 15 minutes. Everybody have to do this. Everybody have to do what? I told you to do what? Calculation? Hello?
This calculation.
That calculation. Okay, BX, BY, FOA. I give you 15 minutes to do this. Hello? Yeah? Dia tak ada. Ini dia dah pencen. I'm a replacement. Global engagement. Okay, global engagement. This is Shabuddin Mat. Also, I'm also a part of global investment for UTM. Betul. Saya tengah kelas. Shabuddin Mat. Ya. Ya. Aha. Ini Prof Su ah. UTM Allah. Hai. Saya tak keluar balik Prof lah sejak Aerolet become COE. Okay, Prof. Can you WhatsApp me your numbers lah, Prof? Okay, 016. Yes. 754 2904. Just send WhatsApp. I call you back. Now I'm the director of aerospace. Okay. Okay, yes, do that, and I will call you back, Prof. Okay, Prof, sorry. Saya tak call Prof balik lah, sorry lah. Okay. Okay, sure, Prof. Okay, bye, Assalamualaikum. Bye. Okay, how many days you want to do BX, BY, and FOA? Hello? How many days you want to do that?
Sir,
Yeah?
FOA saya dapat 289.59.
289 point
59.
what?
59.
Okay, it's 6. Okay, that is in confirm. It is intention, right?
Yeah. BX 0.
0. BY
482.7.
Everybody get the same answer with him.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Who need more time? I give you until 9:25 to complete this calculation. I will concentrate more. I will concentrate on machine. Okay, because it's same principle. Okay, it is in the same principle. Okay. It is in the same what? In the same principle. Okay, until 9:25. So I will do the structure here. I will do analysis of frames, come back to machine, marine fishing, marine machine, marine frame machine, and so on. Okay, because both are in the same principle. Okay, both are same concepts. Okay, 9:25 for you to okay, 9:25 for you to complete this. Okay, don't make don't rely on your friend. Huh? If you rely on your friend, you will be in big terrible in the examination. Do that. Everybody have to do this. Don't rely on your friend. Huh? Who managed to get BY and of A correctly? Please say yes in the chat. Please say yes in the chat. Who managed to get the answer? Don't rely on your friend. Who else managed to get the answer? Tell me.
Me, sir. Also same.
Okay, raise up your hand in online. Raise up your hand. Okay, those who managed to get answer, raise up your hand. Those who managed to get answer, raise up your hand. So quite many here. Many here managed to get the answer. Okay, and I will start new one in 9:25. Start new one at 9:25. Okay. Oh, not there. Where? Then insert new slide. Blank slide. Okay. This is, we call it as example 1. Okay, we go for this is example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Okay. Mm. 9:25. This one, you tell me what to do next. This is on how I teach this subject. At the end of the semester, you tell me what to do. I will start at 9 to 25. Make sure you have calculated that. You have done the calculation. Do you need extra time to calculate that FOA? Tell me honestly. Put in the chat if you need extra time. Okay, you don't need extra time. Okay, look at me. Look at me. We do this one as example 3. Okay, this is, we call it as example 3. Okay, example 3. This time, okay, this is also on frame. Okay, this is also on frame. Okay, still on frame, but it's close to the machine problem. It's close to the machine problem. It's close to mission problem. Okay, I will do 1 or 2, 3 or 4 more, 2 more after this, maybe. Then machine. We move on to machine. It's a slightly complicated structure. You must have a warming up first, which frames. Then we go for machines. Okay, that will determine you aeronautical student or what. Okay, let me check it first. Let me check it first. Okay, question 2. How many are there? 2 force member. Tell me. Okay, switch on your mic. Tell me how many 2 force member are there. Tell me
2.
how many pandai. What are the 2 force member?
A, C, D, E.
Pandai. How many 2 force member are here? Question 3.
2.
2 also.
Piston is always 2 force member. Piston is always 2 force member. Okay. Okay, I want to check it. I want to check you. Okay. I want to check you. Okay. I want to check. All right. I want to check you. I want to check you. Okay. DEF is 2 force member. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. BC is 2 force member, right?
Yes.
Yes. If I remove this weight, what is the forces in AB and BC?
2 force member.
Then what happened if 2 force member are joined at point B? Yesterday we did.
0.
Clever. Okay. Yes, it's clever. AB is going to be 0. BC is going to be 0. If no forces acting on it, that's why you need a force. Yes. Okay. Question 4. How many 2 force member are there? 2 also, piston. Question question 5. Is there any two force member?
Yes.
Which one?
DE.
Mana? DE. Yes, is DE is a 2 force member. And another one?
CB.
No, CB not sayang. ABC is not 2 force member. 2 force member is ED and
HB.
B is a piston there. Okay, question 6. Question 6. Which one 2 force member?
GE.
And
AB.
pandai. Okay, question 7.
JD.
JD and
GF. BH.
GF and GH. 2 force member. That one, is there any 2 force member there?
EF.
Pandai. This one, how many two force member are there?
3.
3.
All those piston are two force member. This one, how many two force member? 2.
2.
This one,
3.
3. B, D, B, F, and G, H.
GH.
Okay, so it looks complicated, all this question, but it is so easy. Okay. A, H, and B, L. That one, how many? Question 13. One only. One only. Okay, one only. Why CBA is not two first member? CBA is not two first member. Okay, here is two structures. There is two structures there. Here, how many two first member are there?
2.
Pandai. AE, AE, and DG. So this all the kind of, okay, I like this question. I like this question to do. The setting up first. I like this question. It says that okay, you tell me what to do. Okay, you tell me what to do, because I want to see that by what? By next class on Monday. It looks complicated. It looks complicated, but it is not. Okay, a movement of 65 kilogram, 65 kilogram, semicircular plate with a center of gravity at G there, is controlled by hydraulic AJ. Logically, hydraulic jet in tension or in compression? Logically, when you have weight going down like this, the situation like this.
Tension.
Intention. Intention. If it is intention, how to put a force at point J? Going up or going down?
Down.
Very clever. Remember DE and ABC are parallel. Determine all forces of command on structure A, B, C, and a force in hydraulic AJ. That's it. Okay, tell me what to do.
Free body diagram.
Overall. Then how many unknown you have?
Five.
No, it is 4. HX, HY, MH, and force AJ only. Because G is known there. How you get 5, Lim?
I mistake the AJS
A
to force
J,
member.
it's not to because it is very clear. It is very clear. Okay, for us is here. It is very clear. Oh, not here. Delete it. Okay. It is very clear. Okay, draw. HX, HY, MH. Okay, MH. it is very clear for us. F, you want to do FJ or FOJ is same thing, but okay. But if and n if and n if in the, if you put J X, most probably if the examiners or the Otai engineering who teach me 20 years ago, the whole set is going to be 0. Okay, you put JX there. Okay, there is fundamental engineering here. You don't understand the piston is 2 force member. Understand me what I mean? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. JX, don't put JX there. Okay, if you put JX there, is mean now is week of registration. I'm sorry to say. Okay, that you're not going to do that for me. Okay, so I have to say. So in school, yes, they have a system of we could balance up the mark or whatever. Here, no. If you deserve to get 100, you are 100 mark. But if you get 50 mark or 45, that is your 45 mark. Okay, we don't adjust it. Okay, we don't adjust it. So now you have more mark to go. You have more mark to go. You have what? You have 18 for test 3, 6 on assignment, 4 already given, and 40 mark for the final. So up to be how much, Lim? Total up to be 50, 54 more to go. 50 more marks more to go.
60, sir.
Huh?
64.
Yeah, no, 64. Yes, 64. You are right. A lot of mark to go. A lot of mark to go for you to collect the mark. Life is not end yet. Life is not end yet. 64. Okay. Then what to do next? Okay. I want you to save. All right. This is homework. I want to see this by Sunday. I want to see this by Sunday. By detach that structure. Detach that structure. Detach that structure. I want to see how you detach it. How you're going to detach it. Okay, file, save. Okay. I want to see what? On Sunday, I want to see what?
The solution.
The solution. Okay, so I want to see this on Sunday. Alright, so take an image of it. Alright, that is the solution on Sunday. Don't worry if you don't understand, but try it first. Try it first. Okay, wish that. Thank you very much for very kind attention to me today. Okay, for your very kind attention. All right, so there are not more to do. Okay, after this we will do the centroid, and then you are done with this subject. All right, so stop presenting here. Then okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye. Bye
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.